Hi, I'm Amelia, and as we're enjoying the summertime, I wanted to show you how to make some delicious ice lollies using Forever's drinking gels. These will be loved by kids and adults alike. We'll be making 5 ice lollies today, so all you need is a set of ice lolly trays so you can pop your creations in the freezer to enjoy. To make our aloe vera and kiwi lolly, you will need 1 kiwi fruit, 300 ml of aloe vera gel, and 2 tablespoons of Forever bee honey. Peel the kiwi and cut it into quarters. Then pop the kiwi, aloe vera gel and honey into a blender and then blend until almost smooth but still has some texture to it. And finally, pour into your ice lolly mould ready to freeze. To make our aloe berry nectar lolly, you will need 7 strawberries, 300 ml of aloe berry nectar and 2 tablespoons of Forever bee honey. Chop the greens off your strawberries and chop them into small chunks. Then pop the strawberries, aloe berry nectar and honey into your blender and blend until almost smooth but still has some texture. Then finally pour into your lolly moulds ready to freeze. So next up, we've got our aloe peaches and cream lolly. To make it, you will need 1 tin of canned peaches, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt and 300 ml of aloe peaches. Firstly, drain the can of peaches, then add the peaches, aloe peaches and Greek yogurt to a blender and then blend again till smooth. Then again, simply pour into your ice lolly moulds ready to freeze. Our 4th ice lolly is aloe mango and passion fruit, and to make it, you will need 300 ml of aloe mango, 2 passion fruits and 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Cut the passion fruit in half and scoop out the flesh. Then add the passion fruit, aloe mango and Greek yogurt to a blender. Again, simply pour into your moulds ready to freeze. And finally, we have our Forever Freedom and orange ice lolly, and to make this you will need 2 oranges and 300 ml of Forever Freedom. Firstly, zest your oranges and then cut them in half and juice them. Add your orange juice, orange zest and Forever Freedom into your blender and just mix it all together. And then finally pour into your ice lolly moulds ready to freeze. So once your moulds are full, just simply pop them into your freezer and let them set. They're best left overnight. And there we have it, some delicious ice lolly flavours that are great for children and adults to enjoy.